Applied camera. I installed the system. It's a 50 kilowatt system from Blue Sun, running on over 84 610 solar panels, and we have over 90 kilowatts of batteries, and it's working tremendously well, powering the house, basic needs in the house. The system is working very, very well. This is a PV combiner, and we're having a communication port, it's working, everything is okay, and the Blue Sun system is awesome, very durable, strong, high protection, and everything is good about Blue Sun. And this is not the first installation. I've been all over the country with Blue Sun, factories, homes, businesses. Blue Sun is the best, trust me. I've done it. This is the 10 or 15th installation I've done for Blue Sun, and it's working tremendously well. No problem. We're having no issue with the system. The inverters are strong, batteries last longer, and the customer service is very, very good. You can call Blue Sun at any time. They will respond to you. They will support you until the system is working properly. Then a thumbs up for Blue Sun. Thumbs up. System is good.